I'm wearing my favorite smock. I'm putting my sleeves up because I'm really messy when I'm painting. I really want to get into this creation process. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some colors and I'm gonna send some of my previously created spaces and circles into the background. So I'm taking quinacridone crimson. I always take white because white is really helpful in any situation. And I'm taking dioxide purple. I want to take some of the Payne's gray because I truly feel the universe is like that. There's some voids that we don't even see. And for now, it's enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some white, just tiny bit, and I'm gonna add some of it in some places, not everywhere. That's where I feel that maybe the space is very busy. And as I'm doing this, I'm leaving the glow. I don't want the whole background disappear because some of it I actually love and some of it is just a little too much. So I'm gonna just allow my brush to go wherever it wants to go and create some of the spaces where I can add things, even though there are some things there already. So I'm not wiping everything that's already there, just creating some spaces. Sending my intention into the background allows me to stop thinking about and reading constantly the words I'm reading, which frees up my mind to see other things available. Still having a very solid foundation, but not necessarily consciously revisiting it all the time. Like I said, the important thing is to leave some glow, some information from the previous exploration, so it's not completely gone. And then whatever is a little excessive, you can always wipe it out. So now I'm gonna take some water and just add a little bit of this flowy quality, that which I was doing. And again, and I'm gonna water my foundation so the flower of my creation is blooming. Now I'm gonna selectively add colors, so it's not all the same. Creating that space of the universal discovery. My spirit playing with the stars. Not incarnated yet, but planning to incarnate. Remembering the star quality of who I am. Making colors where my brush goes. I'm not really worried what colors are being created here. This is still under painting. It's still the universe playing with me, and I'm playing with the universe. And just like the creation, it could be messy, and then chaos becomes an order. But in order for us to even see how the life looks like, we first have to see the space from which everything is being created. The universal space of chaos. I feel my universe is not dark enough, so I'm gonna add a little bit of the color here. Because only in the background of darkness the light can actually show up. Okay. And so now I'm just feeling with my human hands, I'm just feeling the space, the universal space, the stardust from which everything is being created. The sparks of what's the matter, what might become the matter. Photons and protons, the cloud, the stacks of cooling stars. Going all the way to the incarnation, to here and now. Getting ready to bring the stardust into the earth. My universe will never be the same after that painting, you understand?